First, don't panic. The Moo Virus isn't a real virus. It's an Apple shortcut prank that changes your iPhone settings to make it look infected. If it happened to you, here's how to avoid it next time. Number 1, never install random Apple shortcuts from TikTok, Instagram, Discord, or Messages unless you completely trust the source. Number 2, if someone asks to borrow your phone for a second, don't unlock it for them unless you know exactly what they're doing. It only takes a few seconds to install a prank. Number 3, before tapping any iCloud shortcut link, ask yourself, do I actually know what this shortcut does? If the answer is no, don't install it. And finally, if your phone starts mooing, zooming in, changing colors, or acting weird, don't factory reset it. It's usually just the shortcut or accessibility settings that need to be removed. Here is how to fix it.
Cow virus. Here I give myself the virus. Click on this. Sound go away. Go to settings. Accessibility. Zoom off. Display and text size. Larger text in the middle. Then color filter smart. Invert and reduce. White point off. And there you have it fixed.